This is my 20-gallon tall hexagon freshwater tank. I have 9 dwarf blue parrot cichlids. A few of them have already paired off. I have seen some eggs, but nothing has hatched yet because they're still juvenile-ish. And I just did a water change, so they're in a snit because I disrupted all their gravel, and they like it just in a certain way. If we wait long enough, we may see them pick it up with their mouth and spit it out of their home. They're quite comical. It's like watching the Three Stooges. I've built a bunch of caverns and caves and tunnels just by using rocks from the beach that I boiled for a good 4 hours and scrubbed them, and then I use my glue gun and join them and lean them against each other in there, and they just love running in and out of these caves. Highly recommend doing it yourself. That way you get how you want it to appear, but also save a lot of money.